Casio has come through with yet another great release with these sporty analog designs. In my opinion, you gotta have an analog Casio model in your collection, so let's take a look at them. This series is known as the MTPVD01 series and comes in 4 variations. Hopefully there'll be more to come because these models look great and perform very well as everyday watches. These ones use the same movement as the famous Casio Duro, which is a battery-powered quartz movement, including a 3-hand complication and a date window at 3. Unfortunately, these models aren't meant to be dive watches, which means no rotating bezel and only 50 meters of water resistance. However, that being said, I don't really think these things matter a whole lot. 50 meters is plenty enough for most, if not all, of daily use. And when was the last time you actually went diving with your watch? Probably never. Anyway, a stainless steel case and bezel ensures a strong build on these models. It feels quite solid on the wrist, and in general, it'll hold up really well against gentle knocks and bumps. A polyurethane strap keeps this one firmly wrapped around your wrist, and a stainless steel buckle is also included. Dimensions lean slightly towards the larger side of things, but still very wearable with a lug-to-lug of 46mm, a diameter of 42.5, and a thickness of 10mm. The dial on these models is fairly simple, with batons marking 3, 6, and 9, and a double baton at 12, with dots marking every other hour. These markings are not filled with Lumibrite, but some can be found on the hands, which is always a nice touch. On this particular model, the only dash of color is found in the second hand, with a bit of red to break it all up. But let's look at the other models, which do include more colors. The MTPVD01 uses a nice shiny sunburst dial, coming in a classic navy tone. Case, bezel and strap are all the same, but instead of a red second hand, we get a yellow one, which complements the blue dial really nicely, I think. The MTPVD01 utilizes the same black dial as the first model, but with an orange second hand instead, and of course we get a different strap here in this olive colored strap. Finally, the MTPVD01 includes a lovely tan strap and the same orange second hand as the previous model. Always enjoy a tan strap. I think it gives off a really nice, neat, casual vibe. Very wearable in my opinion. Out of the 4, I'd have to say my favorite is this model with the tan strap. It's somewhat adventurous, and the stainless steel case with a black dial paired with the tan strap is a great combination. But do let me know which model you would take home by leaving a comment below. And if you like the video, please hit that like button. Thank you for watching another Watch Depot unboxing video. You can buy these models online by clicking the link in the description. So do that if you're really interested in picking one up. Please subscribe for future videos, and I will catch you in the next one.